Hi friends! I just wanted to show you what my latest obsession is. This is a little folio mini journal. So it opens up and there's spots inside. We'll start here on the outside. I want to show you what I've been doing. So this part lifts up and there's little spots here where you can tuck little things behind this band. So there's a little card here, and almost everything has either blank spot or lines or something on the back where you can journal if you'd like. Pretty flower. And then inside here, this is an envelope, and I put a little pull tab here so it's easier to get the little card out. And then this is a little trifold card. So you open it up here, and you have 3 little spots to journal. Isn't that cute? And then it's decorated on all 3 sides. Slips right back in there and closes up. And that just slips behind this band along with these other 2 little guys. Just like that. And then here we have pockets. So let me lift it up so you can see that quote. The garden of the world has no limits except in your mind. And then tucked inside that little pocket, we have this little flower. See, that has pretty orange with lines on it. And then this heart. And then a little card here. Put all those to the side for a second. This whole piece here lifts out of this pocket. So also tucked away in here. Set that aside. Oh, look, surprise message, dream big. Okay, it wasn't a surprise to me. I knew it was there. We have a little message here. This is a little pocket. So these little pieces all come out. A little butterfly. Another little message. A cute little fox. And then on the little butterfly there. And then on the back of this, there's another little pocket with a couple more little cards. More space to journal. I'm going to set all those aside. And then when we open this up, we have, on the left side, we have this little, it's called a tuck spot, this little corner right here with another little message. And then inside here we have lots of treasures. So this pocket here, we have this heart. We have this tiny little notebook, which has a little cute little back cover. But look how cute this is. It has teeny tiny little pages in here that you can write on or draw or whatever you'd like. And then there's a nice big card here with space to write or draw. Another little card. Okay, and then on this side, we have 2 more pockets here. So inside the top pocket, I put this card. And on top of this card, there's a little pocket. It's just full of little things with 2 more little sayings. Sweet. And then those are just lightly colored on the back. And then in this pocket, we have a little house. So those all tuck into one of the pockets. And then down here is another pocket with another little saying. And then 2 little cards here. So sweet. Okay, and then on the back side, we have yet another pocket here. We have like a pocket on top of a pocket. So in this first little house pocket, there's this flower tucked in. and a little birdie card. And then 2 more little cards here. And then in the big pocket here, we have this cute little fox. And hearts. And a little flower tree. And then another final little message. So that's my little portfolio that I've been working on. And then it has a little spine here to hold the bulk of everything that goes in there. So anyway, take care, everybody. Bye.